We're still running.
Hey, this is second trip with Steve.
Here we go.
And Becky's up with Steve in an enclosed Jeep. Because of harassment and that. They got the windows down.
We're in the dust.
Nah, her ass was pretty good.
Okay, here comes the rough road.
Oh, yeah. Rough road. Rough. Here we go. Rough. It's smoother. Look at it. It's smoother off the road than it is on the road.
And I'm here down to 17 pounds of pressure in my tires.
All right. We'll keep it coasting. If I can hit the button. That was a deep wash.
Casualty. The windshield wiper.
Casualty.
We have a casualty.
Casualty.
Wounded. Let's see if we can set him free. Farewell.
Burial at desert. About an inch of dust on my screen on my phone now.
You know, make sure you speak up too, because on my video, I can barely hear us.
Yeah. This Google phone's usually pretty good about that.
It's so well, and so then I crank up the volume, but it's still, you hear the road noise.
Yeah.
It's equal to our voices.
Way out there, there's snow on that there mountain. Mount Lemon. And right there, Cacho Peak, which we've camped at.
Specifically at
Yeah,
near.
by there, yeah. Oh, we're turning. Oh, ruin. We have a ruin.
Oh, this is the hotel.
Oh, okay. Now we're going back to Circle S Saloon. Becky and Steve's up in front of us. Steve's treating us to dinner. Circle S Saloon. There. Look.
Oh,
Say hi.
hi.
Okay.
Let me know what you're doing.
We're in Circle S. Look around. Hey, there's Scott. That's what it looks like in here.
I like it.
Pretty cool. There's Steve.
Hello.
Desert Adventures in Arizona. I don't know where to look at on a camera on this thing. All right. We're picking an order. Here's our food.
Got beans on it.
Becky got it hot. What'd you get?
A Sonora dog.
Sonora dog. Scott's dog. Steve's dog. My burger. We're eating. That's good dinner. I had a cheeseburger. These guys had hot dogs. Sonora dogs. What you guys eating there?
Sonora dogs.